Alright, well, we're going to do a startup at the F100. Cold start, because it's, I think, in the 60s, probably mid 60s. Yeah, no, not winter weather, but it don't get like this all the time. Anyway, there's the remanufactured Motorcraft 2 barrel. It's not the one that was on there, it was just a replacement. And remanufactured is pretty much all that you can get. This video's probably just a little bit dark, so sorry about that. Guess it's too much to ask. Oh, never mind, I found it. Don't put out much light though, enough so y'all can see what I'm doing. Turn it off. That even feels different. Alright. Needs to be adjusted a little bit. And sometimes, like the first time we tried it, it sounded like it was sucking air. And that quits if you mess with it. It sounds like it's trying to a little bit now. Anyway, the only vacuum suction I found that's loose is that brass piece behind the choke. There, but that doesn't affect the idle, so that's not it. Gotta get warmer. Shut that down a little bit, hold it heat better, and then it'll go ahead and kick down. But like I say, it does need to be adjusted some more, because the choke's not doing right. Of course, the old one, we just had that wired open, so. And then we'll find out why it's sucking air and get that fixed. Brakes work fine, so. Actually, no, they don't. They feel kind of loose now. It's definitely idling fast. That's why it's jarring so bad. See what? Let me get it back in its parking spot first. Reverse. Drive. Ready to get it. Let's kick it down, see if it'll go. Nope. Do it by hand then. There we go. Again, I am repainting that door panel. Got this one done. It's brighter, and It had been repainted before. Originally it was the color of the dash and all that. Now hang on a minute. You can hear that air now. I don't know. Sorry for the dark video, guys, but I'll be making some more later. I just did this because, you know, I just thought, well, I just got it done, and I know where some good batteries are, so why not? Yeah, I got through batteries pretty quick with this thing too. Got my CB still working there. Goes through the radio. Go ahead and show you all that. For those of you who don't remember. Put it on tape because that's just an adapter. There you go. I like it. Works for me.
Congratulate Logan Hickey.
Yeah, I busted that speaker in that door too. So, for some unknown reason, my fog lights don't work anymore. So, hope to get that figured out too. But maybe pretty soon I'll fix that ignition lock. Oh yeah, I finally fixed that door lock too. See if this thing will. Temperature's up there pretty good. Of course, y'all can't see it. Yeah. It's getting up to the normal range, which for the hood open is pretty good. It's getting choked back where it's supposed to be. Alright, there we go. Alright, well, since I ain't done it in a while, we'll get the exhaust and shut her down. Still is missing, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get the carb adjusted as good as we can, and then replug some wires. Still sucking air. Not as bad though. But stay tuned, I'll get a daytime video of this too. Catch y'all later.